understand how to calculate, okay, using, okay, how to calculate the exercise or the problems in time value of money using formula, okay. So using the formula, okay. I've already simplified for you in this table, okay, if you can see this, okay. So please make sure that you have the calculator with you, okay. So the problems, the exercise, the question is here, okay. And then I will teach you how to calculate one by one, okay, which and using which formula here, okay. Mana satu kita akan gunakan. So jom kita tengok ni, formula dia sangat memeningkan kepala kan, okay. So never mind, okay, just will teach you how to calculate, and then later on you will revise back, okay, how to calculate, okay, the problem here, okay. So clear tak? So tolong ya ambil kertas and your calculator, okay. So please calculate with me. Okay, so okay, what is the tips, okay, that you need to know, okay, whether the formula, which formula that you need to use, okay. So if you look at this question, okay, the first question here, Adam's company bought a piece of land for 200,000. Okay, by 2005, its value had increased, okay, to 1 million. Find the annual rate of appreciation during this period. Okay, so macam mana kita nak dapatkan, okay, this question already have the answer, but we don't know how to calculate, right? Okay, what formula that we need to use, okay. If you look here, okay, you already know the in 1981 you already know the land is 200,000, okay. So this is present, and then value 200,000 is present now, and then by 2005 is in future, okay. In future, okay, the price will increase to 1 million, okay. So we already know the present value, that is 200,000, and then the future value is 1 million. So how many years, okay, that you need to know, okay. Present value is already there, future value is already there, okay. So what is the n, okay, if you can recall back, okay, I've already mentioned to you n is refer to the year, okay. How many years required, okay, from 1981 until 2005? Can you please calculate for me? Berapa tahun? 1985 dah sampai 2005. So berapa tahun tu kelas? Berapa tahun? 5. Berapa Joshua? How many years? Joshua, where are you? Joshua, where are you? Left pula dah. Richelle, how many years? Okay. Start from 1981 until 2005. How many years? Tak dengar pun suara Richie. Yes, very good. So 24 years. So 24 is referring to n. Okay. N is 24. Okay. So if you look at this question, it is just a simple formula. Okay. We can um, okay, find out the rate. Rate is for R, the small r here. We don't know what is the R. Okay, but we already know the present value. Okay, we already know the future value. Okay, present value now, the value for now. Okay, future value is the value for later. Okay, another 24 years later. Okay, how much is the annual rate? Okay, so that because of this question is given to you, give you the information, okay, simple information, okay, present value and then and future value. Okay, tak ada pun dia kata compounded monthly ke, okay, tak ada pun dia kata annuity due ke. Okay, so just use ni simple one off payment, okay, future value punya formula. Okay, simple. Okay, FB is equal to PV 1 plus Rn. Okay, let's look here. How to do it. Okay, so question number 1. Okay, question 2.21. Okay, using the simple formula because they've not stated whether okay, the payment is compounded monthly or quarterly. No, okay, it just gives the simple information, so you just use the simple formula, that is FB is equal to PV. FB is future value, PV is present value, and then 1 plus small r and small n. Okay, so you already know how much is the future value, class? How much is the future value? Hello, anybody home? How much is the future? Berapa? Joshua? Ni, soalan ni. Tadi saya dah sebut. Berapa future value dia? Ada tak? Berapa future value ni dekat soalan ni? Richie or Richelle, what is the future value? Cepatlah. What is the future value? Tadi saya dah sebut dah. Future value dia yang mana? Hello. Future value yang mana? No idea. Tadi saya sebut dah. Michelle. Which one is the future value? Is that 200,000 or is that 1 million? Okay. Rachel said 1 million. Okay. Joshua? Mana satu? Pandai. Okay. Very good. So 1 million is the future value. So you just put inside the formula here. Okay. FV is 1 million. So we have 6 0 there. Okay, so present value is 200,000. Just put in the formula. Okay, and then 1 plus R. R is the missing figure. We don't know what is the R. And then n is how many years? 24. Okay, which we already calculated for us. 24 years. It means that n is equal to 24. So how to solve this problem using the mathematical formula? Okay, we need to know how much is the r. Okay, you already know the question. The answer is 96.936. But how we can calculate this? Okay, so how to calculate is 1 million. Okay, you must pick 200,000 and then transfer to the left. Okay, so it means that 1 million you should divide with 200,000. Okay, this is the way on you to calculate. Okay, 200,000, and then it's equal to 1 plus r 24. Okay, so what is the answer when you divide 1 million into with 200,000? So please calculate using your calculator. So what is the answer here? Please help me. What is the answer for this? 1 million divided by 200,000. What is the amount? 5. Very good. So you have 5 here. Okay. So the 24n here, the power of 24, okay, we need to transfer to the left also. Okay. So 1 plus r is at the right. Okay, just let it be. And then 24, the power of 24, the small n here, we must transfer to the left. Okay, so that how can build? So the 5 is have one of the power of 1 over 24. Okay, right? Dia akan jadi macam tu. So the power of 24, if we transfer to another side, okay, it can be 5. Okay, the result for 1 million divided by 200,000, and then we have 5 the power of 1 over 24. Okay, so can you please find out in the calculator? Okay, 5, okay, the power of, okay, using apa ni, V yang terbalik ni, V yang terbalik ni, okay, 5 the power of, okay, saya akan buat kurungan and then 1 over 24. Okay, do like this. 5 the power of 1 over 24. So is equal to, okay, the answer is 1.06932. Okay, so I put here 5 the power of 1 over 24 is equal to 1.06936. Okay, and then it's equal to 1. Are you sure? 1.0. Once again, 1.0. It's actually 1.069. How come you get 1.07? Wrong. Are you using this kind of calculator, the scientific one? Yeah. Can you? Oh, FX 350. Oh, mine using 570. Oh my god. Wait. I have another 570 also. I think, I don't know which one is better. I also don't know. Mm, it's okay. I think it's okay. It's just okay. Okay. So mine is 1.069.336 and then is equal to 1 plus R. So how to solve R? Okay. So please let it be R, be alone, and then this thing, okay, 1 plus, okay, you transfer to the left, and then 1.06936 you minus with 1, okay, because 1 plus if you uh, transfer to the left, okay, it will uh, change to minus, okay, tolak lah. Okay, kita akan jadi tolak. So 1.06936 minus 1. So the R, okay, is 0.06936. Okay, so 0.06936 is the R. So same goes to, okay, 9 point divide by 100, divide by minus times with 100. Okay, you convert into percent. Okay, minus times with 100. So it will, okay, the answer is, okay, we need the answer in the percentage. So you must times with 100. So the R will have the answer is 6.936%. Okay, that is the correct answer for the problems number 1. Okay, so we get the same answer. Okay, 6.936. Okay, are you understand? Yes. Hmm. Hmm. Kita nak convert dia kepada percentage. Sebab kan R dia mesti dalam persen. Okay, is that clear? Richie and Richard? Is there any question? Alright, very good. Okay, so let's continue to the second problem. Okay, Ahsan company bought a piece of land in 1991 for 160,000, which appreciated in value at the rate of 3%. Okay, this is present value. Okay, and then the rate are 3%. Okay, for the first 3 years. Okay, for the first 3 years is 3%, and then change to 4% for the next 4 years. Okay, so 3 years is N. Okay, and 3 using 3% up. Okay, and then another next 4 years, N is 4. Okay, using the rate 4%. Find its value after 7 years. Next, okay, 7 years in the future. So find out the future. Okay, value after 7 years is in the future. So we need to find out FV. Okay, so because of there is not stated here whether we compounded or monthly. Okay, we just assume 2.22 is also using what we call it as the simple future value formula. Okay, using the same formula as before. Okay, so tengok kat sini. So yang ni future value. Kita nak cari future value. So using the simple one off payment saja. Dia tak ada banyak kali payment. Okay, just one off. But then changes, apa yang change adalah R dia. R dia mula-mula 3%. Okay, and then 4%. So how to do that kind of question? Okay, just you use this. Okay, the simple future value formula. Okay, FD my god, what's going on with my pen? Okay, FV is equal to PV 1 plus R. Okay, and oops. Okay, because we have two types of R and two types of N, so that we must multiple with another 1 plus R N. Like this. Okay, so please put the present value there. Mana? Present value 160,000. Okay. And then 1 plus R. R is the first 3 years is 3%. Okay. 3 years. Okay, 3%. 0.03. Okay, the N is 3. And then multiple with another 1 plus R for the next 4 years is 0.04. Okay, the power of 4. Okay. So then you just calculate what is the figure. 16,000 minus 1.03, the power of 3, and then multiple with 1.04, the power of 4. Okay, so what is your answer? Okay, you just put inside the, type in the calculator. Okay, 160,000 multiple with 1.03. Okay, the power of the power of 1.04, the power of 4, just like that. Okay, 160,000 times with 1.03, the power of 3, and then times with, you just put the bracket there. Okay, 1.04, the power of 4. Okay, and then you will get 204,234. 534. 204,534. Okay, dapat tak semua? Joshua dapat tak? Okay, very good. So the answer is 204 534. Okay, and then let's look at the question 2.23. Okay, 2.23. Your employer has promised to give you 5,000 bonus after you have been working for him for 5 years. Ini saya tak buat. Okay, what is the present value? Okay, what is the present value? Okay, ini present value of this bonus is proper discount rate is 8%. Okay, now so kita dah tahu. Okay, what is 5,000? Okay, is there 5,000 is present value or future value, guys? Okay, berapa? Apakah? Okay, what is amount for 5,000 here? It is future value or present value? Present value. Are you sure? Are you sure it's present value? Can you read again? Okay, the question. Your employer, okay, pekerja, kita punya boss has promised to give you 5,000 bonus after you have been working for him for 5 years. So what is the present value of this bonus if the proper discount is 8%? Okay, so 5,000 is PV or FV? Joshua macam nak jawab ni tadi. Okay, very good. So 5,000 is the future value. Okay, we already know. And then we must calculate for present value. Okay, so kita akan calculate for present value yang tak ada. Okay, so kalau tak ada present value, semua dah ada kecuali PV. So which formula that we need to use? We should use. Which one? We want to calculate, we want to search for present value amount. So which type of formula that we need to use? Using this table. Which one, class? Cepat. Nombor 3. No. Kita akan gunakan, okay. Which one? Nika. This is table, using table. Okay, which one? This or this one, the right, the left or the right? Yes, the right, because here, present value. We need to search for present value. So we should use this formula. Okay, PV is equal to FV divided with 1 plus RS. Okay, so that is the formula that we should use. Okay, so PV is equal to FV divided with 1 plus R and okay, macam tu je. So you just need to put the figure. Okay, future value is 5,000 divided with 1 plus R. How much is the R? 8%. So 0.08. Okay, how much is the N? 5 here. 0.08, the power of 5. So can you please find out the answer? 5,000 divided with 1.08, the power of 5. Okay. What is your answer? Yes, 3402.92. Okay, that is correct answer. 3402.92. 9. Okay. And then let's look at the next question. 2.24. Okay, the US government fixed the price of gold at 35 and per ounce, okay, in 1934. In 2005, okay, in 1934, the gold price is just $25. Okay, but in future 2005, the price of the yellow metal is 480. Calculate the price appreciation of gold as percent per year compounded annually. Okay, so the answer is 3.757. So, okay, dia suruh cari, okay, the R, okay, the R, okay, the 35 is the present value, okay, 1934, and 2005 metal is 480 is the future value. Okay, so we need to determine what is R. Okay, so the future value is already there, the present value is already there, the R is no unknown. Okay, what is N? What is the amount of N? Siapa tahu? N dia berapa? Berapa tahun? Berapa tahun kelas? Yes, 71. Mana jawapan saya tadi? Okay, 71. So you just need to use the same, okay? You just use the same as we find out for the R, okay? Using the same formula, that is using the future value formula. FV is the simple future value formula. FV is equal to PV 1 plus R N. Okay? FV is equal to PV 1 plus R N. Okay? So FV, how much, Joshua? Future value for that question. How much? Future value for that question. Joshua, are you there? Berapa? Alah, cepatlah. Tengok ni, dia kata harga gold pada tahun 1934, 35. 2005, harga dia 480. So, which one is the future? Future yang tahun yang akan datang. Katalah kita sekarang ni dekat tahun 1934. So, which one is the future value? Yes, 480. Okay. So 480 is the future value. So the present value is 35. Okay. So just put here future value for equal. Okay. Our present value is 35. Okay. 1 plus R is unknown. And is tadi berapa? 71 years. Okay. So macam biasa, 480 divided with 55. So dapat berapa? Four eight zero divided with 55. Okay, the answer is 13.71. Okay, so 13.71. Okay, and then 71 to 71, the power of 71. Okay, put at the left. Okay, so it can be like this, 1 over 71. Okay, and then 1 plus R. Okay, and then can you please help me? What is the answer for 13.71, the power of 71? 13.71, the power of 1 over 71. Okay. Betul? Betul. Dapat tak jawapannya berapa? The power of 1 over 17. Okay. Kita dapat tak jawapannya berapa? Kita dapat kat sini. Cepat. Okay, how to calculate this? Okay, you must put the bracket. Okay. Mana tadi? Mana kamera? Okay. Okay. Kena letak bracket kat sini. Kat typing. Okay. Letak bracket mana pula? Okay. Ni nampak ni. Tadi kan jawapan untuk bahagi tu 13.71. So you type lah. Okay, 13.71. Okay, 13.71. Okay, and then the power of, okay, the power of 1 over 17 kan. So kita bahagi, buat kurungan itu. Okay, bracket. You put the bracket there. Okay, and then 1. Okay, letak pecahan ni. Okay, ni. Nampak tak? Tu. Okay, and then over to 71. Okay, 71, and then put the another bracket. Okay, close bracket. Okay, and then is equal to, okay, just click the equal there, and then you will get 1.037263335. Okay, 1.037. 1.03756. 3756. Saya dapat. Okay, just put here lah. Okay. The answer is 1.037. Okay. So, kena tolak dengan 1. Sebab yang ni, 1 tambah ni. Okay, letak kat the left. Okay, jadi minus 1. So, R dia adalah 0.0375. Okay, so kita convert dia times with 100%. Okay, jadi dia 3.756. Okay, 756 ke tak apalah, 757 ke. Okay, percent. Okay, just like that. Okay, boleh faham? Is that clear, everyone? Very good. And then let's look at another question. Next week, saya cuti juga hari Senin. Padahal. So kita buat for that next week. I will replace the class at Friday, okay? In Friday. At 2:30 p.m. Alright. Okay. So let's look at the next question. Ni pun sama, cari interest juga. So cuba you try sendiri. You expect to receive 10,000 as a bonus after 6 years. Okay, you have calculated the present value of this bonus and the answer is 7. So present value is 7,000. So your future value in 6 years later is 10,000. So please calculate the interest rate. Okay, so you can use the whether the simple future value or present value here because okay uh, the answer will be the same. But the most simple and the most easy to calculate is using the future value. Okay, because the present value is not here, we need to divide. Okay, sometimes it's very difficult. But you just use the future value, uh, simple category ni, future value simple formula for you to use to find out for us. Okay, can you please just calculate for me how to calculate using the same way, using the same step as we discussed before. Okay, cuba cuba buat dia punya jalan kerja dia. So the answer is 6.15. So how to calculate? Okay, someone show me how to calculate this. Open your camera. Richelle, I just want to know whether you understand or not. That's all. Okay. So how about Richelle? Can you please calculate? Open your camera. How about Richie? Richie, where are you? Alah, sekejap je benda tu. Alamak, unstable connection pula. Mana tadi? Okay, tadi. 1 year is equal to 12 months. So it means that the M here is 12. Okay. If the question asks you the question said compounded quarterly. So in 1 year, quarterly means that every 4 months, every 3 months. Okay, so it means that how many times? Okay, if quarterly is 4 times. Okay, so M is 4. Okay, now compounded monthly, it means that monthly every 1 year. for 1 year we have 12 months. So M here is 12. Okay. How about N? N is 1. Okay. Because the year is 1. Okay. Only 1 year. So how many months? So we multiple with M, 12. So 12 times with 1 is 12. Okay. So what else? You just calculate. Alright. So calculate here. How to calculate? Okay. You must divide first. Divide this one. 0.072 divide with 12. So what is the answer for that? 0.072 divide with 12. So the answer is 0.006. Okay. So plus with 1. So the answer here is 1.006. Okay. So you should calculate like this. Okay. You find out 1.006. Okay. The power of 12. Okay. Just type. Okay. What is the amount for 1.006? The power of 12. Okay. It's equal to 1.0744 and then multiple with 10,000. So your answer, the future value, okay, for the next year is 10,744. Okay. So let me show you. Okay, let me show you. Right. Okay, tadi 1.006. Yes, okay. 1.0. Banyak zero. 06. Okay. The power of 12. Okay. 1.006. The power of 12 is 1.07445. So you times with 10,000. So you will get 10.744. Okay. That is the future value. Okay. If we calculate for compounding monthly. Okay. Before this, we just have the payment for one off only. Okay. 1 year only one time. But now compounded monthly, in 1 year we have to pay 12 times. So it is equal, M is equal to, it stands for times. Okay. So that's the answer for future value here is 10,744. Okay, that is future value now. Okay. Your interest earned is to be taxed 25%. So macam mana kita nak tahu? Okay, berapa tax, berapa interest kita? Okay. So you already know the present value here is the principal amount. Okay. What is your interest? Is okay, how you can calculate 10,000. Okay, the future value that already calculated before this is 10,774. You just minus with the principal amount 10,000. So your interest earned is just RM774. Alright. So from your interest earned, okay, interest earned means that how much your money will grow. Okay, it just adding from 10,000. Okay, in 1 year you get additional 774. That is the interest earned. Okay, so from interest earned here, you are subjected to pay the taxes amounted to 25,000. So how to calculate this? So you will find out how much, okay, what is the amount for tax, okay. 774 times 0.25, apa lain kat ni? 774 times 0.25, okay, 774 minus, there is some of the, maybe because of tadi dapat jawapan dia yang sama, 186. Okay, so the tax here, okay, so 10,744 times 0.25, salah. Itulah, yang ini jawapan dia adalah 186. 186, okay, you need to deduct with 774, okay. So jadinya, okay, what is the amount after you pay the taxes? 774 minus 186 is 5. Okay, the interest that you calculate and after you pay the taxes is only 588. So 588 times plus with 10,000, okay. So the answer is 10,558. Okay, same with the answer here. Okay, 10,558. Okay, is that clear? Can you understand what I'm talking about? Hello, boleh ke tak? Boleh ke tak? Ya ke? Betul ke? Which part that you not understand? Which part? I can explain again. It's just to calculate what is the future value. For example, if you have 10,000, okay, in your account, and that you put in the investment portfolio, and then in 1 year after that, you will find out your 10,000 ringgit is increased to 10,774 ringgit. So increased by how many? 774. Okay, because of what? Time value. Okay, time value of money, because the more you keep the money in your portfolio, so the more you will get, okay, in terms of interest that you earn. Okay, it's very different if you put your money, or you save your money in your pocket. Okay, it's not the same. Okay, after 1 year, if you just keep your money inside your purse, amounted 10,000, okay, and then another one for the next year, okay, your money inside your purse is just the same amount, 10,000, right? Okay, there is no increase for interest, okay, no interest you earn. Okay, but then if you put your money inside the portfolio or some of the deposit account in bank, okay, your money will increase, okay, because of the time value, okay, because of the interest you earn. Okay, same goes for the question here. Okay, 10,000 is our principal. Okay, you put in your money market 10,000, and then after 1 year, okay, because compounded monthly, okay, so after 1 year, your money will be 10,744. Okay, That's why you as a business, diploma in business, you should know how to calculate the time value of money. Okay, 10,744 after that. So from 10,744, how much is the interest? Okay, you must minus with 10,000. 10,000 is the principal, the present value. So you will get 7. Four is the amount that you earn interest. Okay? The difference between 10,744, the future value, and then if you compare with the principal 10,000 here, okay, you get the amount 744. It is the interest. So from the interest that you earn, 25% from 744, you need to pay for the taxes. Okay. So what is that amount? That amount is 186 only. Okay. So 186 only. The amount that you must pay the tax. Okay. Tax to the government. Okay. So after that, what is the amount that you will get after taxes? Okay. 744 minus with 186. Okay. You just earn only 558. Okay, it means that, okay, you plus with 10,000, okay, okay, so you just earn only 10,558, okay, is that clear? I hope that you will clear. Okay, very good. Okay, so I think it's enough for today because it's already 4:22. Okay, so I hope that you will try to uh, solve the problem. Never mind. We will continue to look at the question 2.28 until 2.3230 for next week. Okay. Next week the same day on Friday 2:30 p.m. Alright, class? Okay, so that. Thank you so much. Bye. Welcome. Okay. Bye. Thank you.